125 23rd Street, February 16th, 2026. Furthest we can get our camera through the exterior sewer line due to a blockage approximately 30 feet from the clean out and the stack in the back of the basement. Pulling back to the clean out now.